Supercharge your study sessions, mastering the SQ3R method with fun and flair. Are you ready to transform your study sessions from dull to dynamic? Discover the SQ3R method, a simple yet powerful technique that will boost your comprehension and make learning an adventure. Stay tuned to unlock the secrets of effective studying. Here's your fun and enthusiastic guide to mastering SQ3R and making your study sessions pop. 1. Survey. Survey the material. Kick things off with a snazzy preview of your material. Scan those headings, peek at subheadings, and eyeball important visuals. This isn't just any old glance. It's your strategic recon to get the lay of the land and prime your brain for the awesome learning ahead. 2. Question. Formulate questions. Turn into a detective of your text. Before diving into the reading, whip up some curious questions about what you're about to explore. What secrets does this chapter hold? What's the big idea here? These questions aren't just queries. They're your golden tickets to a focused and engaging study session. 3. Read. Actively read the material. Now, dive into those pages like a scholarly ninja. Read actively and hunt down answers to your brilliant questions. Mark those key points, highlight like an artist, and gather the gems of knowledge as you go. This is where you connect the dots and build your understanding. 4. Recite. Recite the information. Step into the spotlight and recite what you've learned. Put it in your own words, as if you're the professor or the author themselves. This mini presentation to yourself, or even a rubber duck, helps cement the info in your memory and lets you own the material. 5. Review. Review and reflect. Last but not least, cap off your study masterpiece with a thoughtful review. Revisit the material, tweak your notes, and reflect on what you've learned. This final flourish ensures that everything sticks and transforms your study session from good to great. All right, folks. Embrace these 5 fabulous steps of the SQ3R method and watch how they transform your studying into an effective, engaging, and downright exciting adventure. And there you have it, the SQ3R method, your new secret weapon for conquering textbooks and acing exams with ease and enthusiasm. Remember, great learners are not just born, they're made, one strategic step at a time. So go ahead, give SQ3R a try, and watch as your understanding deepens and your grades soar. Happy studying, and see you in the next video.